initiate care if it's safe.
The great thing about this, the program and the training is built off of people that don't necessarily have any type of emergency medical background or you know, any type of treatment of people, first aid background. So for the training class itself, we give an overview of the program, and the training discusses the ABCs of bleeding. It discusses how to do different type of bleeding control with pressure, direct pressure, using of tourniquets. We also talk about the kind of what they call pack and wrap type method of severe injuries where tourniquets may not be available. The other piece in the kit that all of ours will have are chest seals, and those, so we kind of go over a demonstration of that and give a short demo of how those exactly would work should someone need one of those. There's a lot of things that go on campus with all the various projects, research, construction, all the machinery shops, where there's always the everyday potential for hazards that could end up causing, you know, life-threatening bleeding. Where having these kits could really come into play while we wait for emergency personnel to come on scene. We're fortunate enough to have our own rescue squad, our own police department here on campus, but they can still be minutes away, which that time frame, you know, if someone's there with you, you have the opportunity to start helping and assisting someone.